In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install mods for Minecraft Bedrock. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser like you normally would. Then what I recommend that you guys do is go to the search bar and look up MCPETL. Now this is a free Minecraft website where you're able to find a bunch of add-ons. I am not sponsored by them or anything, I just think they provide good service. So please go to the official mcpetl.com website. And then over here, you're able to sort between add-ons, maps, textures, skins, etc. And add-ons is another way of saying mods. So don't get confused, guys. If you hear some people say add-ons and others say mods, that basically means the same thing. Now, once you're over here, you want to go ahead and find a add-on, or a mod, I should say, that you would like to install. So you can go ahead and sort for here, and you can even sort between the most popular ones. All right, so for this video, let's go ahead and install this add-on right over here. So it is called Java Combat, and typically it's going to give you a bunch of information, but all you need to do is you need to go ahead and scroll down until you see this section that says download. And typically they're going to provide you with two different files. So we're going to have a behavior pack and a resource pack. So sometimes some add-ons only give you one link. However, this one is going to give us two. So the way it works is that a Minecraft add-on is composed of two different parts. The resource pack basically represents the textures of the add-on itself, and the behavior pack is the actual coding and scripting behind it. So it's incredibly important that you download both of these. So let's just go ahead and wait for this progress bar, then press on get downloads. And then you want to select on behavior pack. It's going to begin installing. And also, let's go ahead and install resource pack. I like to reiterate that sometimes add-ons don't have two different files like this. So sometimes it's just one file. So you really want to take a close look at it. And once you're done with that, what you want to do is you want to load these files into Minecraft. And to do that, you want to go to the top right, and then here it is. Then you just want to go ahead and click on it just like this. And it is now going to open up Minecraft for you. And you need to do it for both of them. So we just loaded in to the behavior pack. So now let's select on resource pack and press on it just like so. And now those are both going to be loaded into Minecraft. If you ever run into difficulties, what I recommend that you guys do is close out of Minecraft, then reopen it again. Because sometimes Minecraft Bedrock can be a little bit glitchy, even though it is one of the most popular games out there. For some reason, it's just like really glitchy. So if you run into problems, I just want to let you know that it is 100% normal. All right, guys. So now that you are loaded into Minecraft, let's go ahead and begin using this add-on. So go ahead and press on play, and you want to go ahead and create a new world. Press on create new world, then wait for it to load in. Then you want to go over here to where it says game mode, and please select on creative. Go to left menu, scroll down until you see experiments, and you want to turn all of these on right over here. So let's go ahead and turn these on. And the reason why we're going to be turning this on is because a lot of add-ons require up and coming features and beta APIs to actually work. All right, so now what you want to do is you want to go to the left menu, press over here where it says behavior packs, and then all of your behavior packs are going to appear right over here. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down and find the behavior packs. Okay, so here is a Java Combat behavior pack. So go ahead and press on activate, double check that it is underneath here where it says active. Do the same thing for resource packs, make sure that it is active. And once you confirmed it, go ahead and select on create, and then press on create anyways. All right, and then from here, we now have our mod installed. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.